Hello, this is Shy to Seductive, BKA Seductive Truthful. And this is my new YouTube channel. So first I'm going to read my poem Black is Beautiful again. So it'll be on this channel. Black is beautiful. No matter what shade, no matter what height, no matter what weight, no matter what, you have pride. Love to live your life. Stand up straight like a knife. Choose to be or get a wife. Choose to be no more than yourself. Love your hair, love your skin, love your nails, love your shape. Love to be you because you are great. Black is beautiful, so don't ever forget it. Don't ever do anything you shall regret, because always be yourself, because black is beautiful.